This is Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. This is the Genesis C194 motorhome from Challenger, French manufacturer. You can see it's under 6 meters in length, cab over model. It's quite tall. I'll give you the details of it now. It is 599 centimeters long. It's got a height, maximum height that is, 310 centimeters. It kicks off at 46,000 euros. This version is 53,045 euros. And additional equipment which has been added to this. Oh, I was thinking it was going to be this here, but the VIP packet. Don't know what that is. One's included in that. Ford Transit engine upgrade. It's got a rear camera, 300 euros. It's, oh, I would expect that mosquito net. I would expect that as standard. And delivery. Let's see why delivery should be option next to an option. I mean, how are you going to get it? It's not delivered. Anyway, that apart. Here we can see here, we've got what's called an easy bed. So you can have a bigger or a smaller garage depending on the height of the easy bed. I've got some more features here, but this actually applies to, I think, just about all of Triganos. I think maybe not. Let's say Challengers anyway. Vans. It's got seats, windows, LED throughout, XPS insulation, 63.5 millimeters on the floor of insulation. Roof's made of polyester GRP GFK, and it's got a 7-year water ingress guarantee. That's to say that water's not going to get in for 7 years. Probably doesn't include the water you put in your fresh water tank. Right, so up here we've got 3 burners, we've got a sink, we've got a fat fridge, we have got, this is not a drawer, sorry, there you go, just a drawer. I thought it was longer on first view. And down here you've got some more storage. You see that? Got the gas down there as well. Oh, and here you've got wardrobe. At the back we've got these lockers around. Here's the bed. It's an unusual shape and it's got a lot of stuff put on it. Now this has been left by people from the stand. I get people saying to me, why don't you tidy the place up? Well, you know, if I tidy a van up and I spend time doing that, that's time I can't use to film. It's like that. So it's up to you. You can either get films or lots of films, or you can get one film with a tidy bed. Furthermore, I don't think it's really up to me to sort of tidy these things up, and I don't really want to. People on the stand might take offence. Steps up the bed. Now 6 meter van. Look at the size of the washroom. You can see you've got oh, you probably can't actually, it's dark. We've got runners at the top there for this plastic thing, so that comes around in place of a shower curtain. Keep you dry. I'll keep the rest of the place dry, not keep you dry because you're getting wet because of the shower. So there. And here we've got sensible sliding door. Now at the front we've got this enormous amount of space at the top for the undercab, overcab I should say. And there you can see it there. We've got window there and window above. And over there, feature I don't think I've seen in any van so far, you've got storage built into the wall. Now I mean you could sort of, whatever you might have a need at night, and go up there. Lockers here. Now the table will extend a bit, but not a lot. 2 chairs there, 6-speed gearbox, chair there. Right, what do you think of this van? I mean, 6 meters you're going to park it just about anywhere, so that's one thing within reason, I mean. But it's much easier to park a 6 meter van than a 7 meter van, particularly in cities. What do you think? I mean, if you like it or not, well, you can write down in the comments below. I've got somebody here who's doing the hoovering, so I'm going to have to get out of his way. Well, I like the light on the outside, the LED, that's nice. Oh, that's really good. I do like that. Okay, so I'll turn the light off, as I probably turned it on. So I've got the switches. Turn them off. And oh, and it's the same inside, right? Light outside's gone off.